In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A security agreement signed regarding 4 major economic projects in Afghanistan between the Ministry of Interior and the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum. Afghan Red Crescent Authority President holds talks with officials from the International Committee of the Red Cross and International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. And the government reaffirms its commitment to supporting the returning migrants. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Thursday, the 8th of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 1st of Asad 1405, and the 23rd of July 2026. The news details. The Minister of Interior has announced that security agreements have been signed in reference with 4 major economic projects, including Ainak Copper Mine, Badakhshan, Lapis Lazulu Mine, Shabarghan Mazar Sharif Gas Pipeline Project, and Abu Dhabi Project. Based on the statement issued by the Ministry, the agreements were concluded between the Public Protection Security Enterprise Deputy Office of the Minister of Interior and the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum. Professionally trained security forces will be responsible for safeguarding the projects to ensure that economic activities continue in a secure and stable environment. Sheikh Shahabuddin Dilawar, the president of Afghan Red Crescent Authority, held a meeting with representatives of International Committee of Red Cross (ICRC) and the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies (IFRC) to discuss strengthening humanitarian cooperation. The meeting focused on assistance for families affected by the recent floods, mobilizing humanitarian aid, reinforcing emergency reserves, and ensuring the provision of essential relief supplies. Both sides emphasized the importance of continued cooperation, close coordination with international humanitarian organizations, and expanding support for vulnerable and disaster-affected families across Afghanistan. The news continuation. The Academy of Sciences of Afghanistan announced that Pashto language alphabet has been officially approved following a comprehensive review and revision conducted by a commission of specialist scholars and after undergoing the necessary academic evaluations. The Academy has called upon writers, researchers, university lecturers, and media organizations to adopt the revised alphabet in their academic, cultural, and educational activities. An ultimately technical meeting was held between the Minister of Refugee and Repatriation and the International Organization for Migration (IOM) to review the challenges facing migrants and strengthening bilateral cooperation. Discussions focused on the construction of shelter, border-related challenges, support for deported and returning migrants, and the continuation of joint humanitarian initiatives. Both sides reaffirmed their commitment to sustain coordination and to expand humanitarian assistance for returning and vulnerable migrants. The news conclusion. Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.